Hello everyone, this is Alethea and you're watching Sail Along Sewing. Today we're pinning, laying out, choosing our layout, laying out our fabric pieces, and cutting. So now I'm still working on Butterick 6939 and I'm working with the skirt portion of the pants and top shirt. The skirt is made out of organza. It's a slippery, sliding material. So I'm gonna take my time and take it step by step to maneuver and create and construct this little garment perfectly, or as close as perfect as I can. So we're just pinning and we'll eventually get to cutting. We have two pieces, the front, the back, and waistband. So here are your two cutout pieces, front, piece 11, and back, piece 10. They're cut out and ready to be marked. Let's move on to the waistband. The instructions for the waistband is calling for to open the fabric out and cut two on the right side of the fabric. Of course, you're going to place one side down and pin, and then you're going to flip it over for your second waistband and pin and cut. Okay, so that's the conclusion for the cutting of the skirt for Butterick 6939. It only had three pieces, front, back, and the waistband. Now it's time for marking and moving on to the next cutting project. I am still currently working on Butterick 6939. This is the pants. I'm currently working on the crotch of the pants. I have did my serging on the seams, completed the front. The pants are together except for the crotch. I based everything so I know if I'm going in the right direction. And also, next up will be the waistband, and they're asking that you stitch the unnotched edge of the waistband. I'm kind of sort of feeling this material because it doesn't ask for it to be interface. So I'm gonna play that by ear to see if I want to put some interface and light interfacing on the waistband. The top has been cut out as well as the back facing, the front and back facing. I'm doing that in red. I'm sewing that in red to highlight this little red portion here in the fabric to bring that out. This is the back facing. And this is the front facing. And the top has been basted somewhat to keep me on the right track. This is Simplicity 9826. This is the beginning making of View D, and it's made out of a Moolix exclusive cameo stretch cotton sateen. And this is how this is looking. So far it has been, fabric has been pre-treated, and I chose my layout, size, partially based together, and that's how that is looking. So, Simplicity 9826 is rated average, and here it's suggested fabrics. And your sizes. The pattern is called Mrs. Pants in 2-length camisole and cardigan. And like I said again, it's rated average. Your notions are here. And here are your pants. I'm sorry, your line drawings. This pattern also, the pants are lined, as you can see. They are calling for aligning and interfacing. View D. And that's Simplicity 9826. And this is View D.